good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to get this swoosh effect using gross beat in FL Studio. Okay, so the swooshing effect. What I'm talking about is this effect right here. If we go into what we want to automate, which is this sample here, I'm going to double click it and route it to a mixer track, all right? I just routed to mixer track 4. On that, I'm just going to throw in a gross beat. Now, gross beat has so many presets up here, all of these different presets. Some of these are ones that I created, but if you go down to the patterns preset, you should see it here, right here. All we're going to look for is this basic 10. Now you hear this kind of effect a lot in trap beats and what have you, so let's hear this. Really just that vinyl swooshing effect. Let's hear the actual melody before it. You can see there's definitely some opportunity to add some difference in this melody. So maybe these first 4 bars could just be the normal sample, and then bars 5 through 8 can be this effect. So I can go over to bars 5 through 8, right click on the black bar until I can drag it out to what I want it, which is just these 4 bars here, and then go back into the mixer. So any effect you put in here has a mix knob. All right, this lets you mix it in however much percent you want. So if we did like 50%, it'd be 50% of the effect and 50% just the dry sample. That definitely sounds cool. If we did more of like a 25% effect, 75% the sample. Let's try like a 75% effect, 25% sample. You can automate this and get different kind of patterns. If you just want a simple pattern like telling it to be on and telling it to be off, all you got to do is bring it all the way down, right click it and create an automation clip. It's going to create the automation clip to the length of the area that you set when highlighting in the playlist. So that's really nice. Now in the automation clip, we can right click some points in. So let's put one right here and kind of drag it up like this. And then there's this slider right here with this little point in the middle. That is called the tension knob. All right, so if I bring it down like this, we can do a incline up or incline down, depending on what we want. We just kind of want this to incline upwards. So it's like a wall. So it starts right here, but then goes right into the automation. That way, this part is only automated, not other parts. If we don't have a clip like this telling FL Studio we only want bars 5 through 8 to be automated, then it's going to mess up, because essentially it's just the effect is coming in. Like if you look at it like this, the effect is coming in, it's staying on, it's staying on, it's staying on, it's staying on all the way through this, and then the end, it just fades out. That's all it's saying. So just keep that in mind. And now if we listen, see, that adds a lot of sauce and bounce to the sample. And you can put that on anything. You can put that on drums too. Drums, it can sound weird at some points and it can get annoying. So I wouldn't automate it as long. Maybe just little bits here and there, maybe a bar automation or something like that. Also, if you want to change the size of this automation, it's really simple. All you got to do is go over to this second point here, not the ending point, the second point right here, and just drag. It will drag the whole thing like so. So you can resize it to how you see fit. That's pretty much it for this video. Let me know what you want to see down in the comments. If you have any issues with automation or having trouble with anything else in FL Studio, let me know and I'll try to help you out with it. That's pretty much it though. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Swoosh.